Can you act using sounds? I will tell you how to do it. For example, let's say you must act in a scene where you play an ordinary person going through daily hurdles. To prepare for the scene, you must listen to your daily life sounds. What do you hear? Traffic? What thoughts, images, and emotions do these sounds create in you? Turn on the radio and listen to it. How does the music affect you? Tune into the news. How does the latest news make you feel? Happy, sad, anxious, angry? Listen, notice, and be affected by what you are experiencing. Once you have done this, the sounds will help you act better. And follow Stada for more acting exercises.